Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another vlog. Alright y'all, so today we're trying different foods. I just wanted to switch it up today. Usually we go out to eat or just throw something in the air fryer. So Camilla went to H Mart today and grabbed a few things. Could you describe to the lovely audience out there, what did you pick up from H Mart?
Okay, so this is kimbap. It has rice, or actually, yeah, this is just regular kimbap. It has rice, radish, carrots, tofu, and spinach. And then this is beef kimbap. So it has the same things except it has beef in it. And then this is pot stickers wrapped in rice paper or rice something. Here, let me see if I can get it out. Forgot the name of it.
You slacking.
Nuh-uh. Rice wrapper, not rice paper. So this is what it looks like. We did pop it in the air fryer. And then you got soybean sprouts. So it's spicy, but not really, but it's really, really good. And then aloe vera.
So yeah, y'all, this is my first time trying some of this stuff. So I'm gonna sit down, I'm gonna place the camera down, and we're gonna rate each food and give y'all our thought on each food. So with that being said, let's get into rating, or should I say let's get into eating, right? Okay.
Okay. We'll do this first.
Okay, so what was the name of this again?
Pot stickers.
Pot stickers. We're gonna try it and then rate it. And yeah. So
Cheers.
cheers. I gotta dip mine in soy sauce, I'm sorry.
We usually get the wontons from HEB, but they didn't have any, so.
These taste way better though.
I don't know if you can see the inside.
These taste way better. So
But
it's like different stuff. What is inside? Do you know?
it's like meat and noodles, rice noodles.
Well, y'all, it got a solid 10 out of 10 for me,
8 out of 10 from me.
especially with the soy sauce.
Yeah, an 8 out of 10 from me.
Okay, so next.
Is the beef kimbap. Oh,
What?
well, this is what it looks like.
Tell them what it got inside.
I did. So you see the green is spinach, the yellow is radish, the pink is, I think, imitation crab, the yellow is egg, then you got the beef in there, the carrot, and yeah.
Then the rice on the
And the
outside,
rice.
and then the seaweed to wrap it all up. So, cheers. Bow. Bow. I'm gonna dip mine in soy sauce. I don't do too much, y'all. I don't like to drain it with soy sauce, then it tastes nasty. So I did one little light dip, like that. And
Ten out of 10 from me.
ten out of 10.
And it's on the healthier side because none of this was really fried or processed, except the imitation crab. I don't know how healthy that is, but overall it has everything. You got the meat, you got the veggies, you got the grain. Got it all?
Right, I told her I want to go more healthier, which I'm switching to 1 meal a day now. And I just been on trying to do like a liquid fast where I don't eat multiple times a day, because whenever I eat, I get tired. So, or it make me like slow down, and I don't like that. I need that urge to want to conquer stuff. So,
because he's not eating foods that are energizing. You gotta eat foods that are gonna give you energy, like carrots, celery. He likes tuna. He loves tuna. Tuna gives you energy, doesn't make you sleepy.
but we go to the store and you don't never say nothing about carrots and celery.
I put celery in tuna.
Oh wow, that's different.
Because you don't eat raw celery.
Well,
He every time I look at veggies, he's like, no, I'm not gonna eat that, or no, I don't want that.
Nah, I love veggies. My favorite is broccoli. I love broccoli and cabbage. Okay, so
Ew.
so baked cabbage, not raw. Okay, so
Still ew.
aloe vera. I don't know if y'all ever had it, but this has been my drink lately. This is what I usually just use water and aloe vera to liquid fast until I eat later in the evening. But I love it. It's a good drink. We already poured up. So got my plastic cup. She got her
Glass.
glass
I don't
cup.
know why he would drink from plastic if he's trying to be healthy.
I don't like washing dishes.
There's so much chemicals in plastic.
And she know I don't
he's
like.
literally inhaling
And
that.
she know I don't like washing dishes. So
He doesn't even
So
wash
I'm more of a plastic guy. If it wasn't for her, everything would be plastic. Forks, knives, spoons, bowls, plates, clothes, everything, socks. No, I'm just joking, but
Dramatic.
let's try it.
Cheers.
That's good stuff. Y'all have to try it. Y'all have to. Tell them where you got it from.
Also H Mart. So it has aloe vera, honey, high fructose corn syrup, maltodextrin, gelin, gum,
Gum. What kind of gum?
food grade gum, gelin gum, calcium, lactate, citric acid. Anyway, overall has 120 calories, 23 grams of sugar. I mean, it is healthier than soda. That's the point that I'm trying to make. It's not the healthiest thing in the world, as if, you know, you're drinking water, but if you want something that's pretty sweet and not soda, I would definitely recommend this.
Yep. Once again, aloe vera. Y'all can get it at HEB too. They also carry it in gas stations. So.
Yeah. But gas stations have flavored ones. That is original, which has nothing.
Yeah, but
besides...
they also got original too.
Oh.
Yeah, so they got original and different flavors like watermelon, strawberry, peach. But I love sticking to original. It's the best to me. But okay, so we tried the pot stickers. We tried the beef kimbap.
Now we gotta try the original kimbap.
Okay, so this is the original. Oh, you already put this? Is
Yeah.
this? Okay, cool. So no beef in this one, y'all.
Straight veggies.
Straight veggies and
Or
lobster
beach-
and lobster meat.
Lobster, babe.
I mean,
Crab.
not
imitation
lobster.
crab.
Yeah, crab. So, ready?
Cheers.
Cheers, cheers to y'all. Boop. One dip, y'all. One dip.
I'm gonna say 9 out of 10 only because I like the beef one more.
And get a 8 out of 10 for me.
An 8 out of 10. Why?
The beef one has more flavor. Even though it's not really much of a difference, it just tastes more better, the beef one. And it's sweeter. I don't know if it's because of the vegetables or the crab meat. I don't know, but that's my opinion. So, but 8 out of 10 for the regular, 10 out of 10 for the beef, 10 out of 10 for the pot stickers for me. What is this?
Radish. I mean, soybean. Right? Yeah. soybean sprouts. Basically bean sprouts.
Soybean sprouts.
Typically, I'll eat it like with this on top.
So you don't eat it by itself?
You can. We're gonna do both.
Okay.
They're gonna eat it by itself.
Oh my God, you adding too much now.
Babe.
All right. Remember, I said one dip in the soy sauce. You ready?
Don't wait on me, go ahead. What do you think? Ten out of 10 for me.
I say 9 out of 10 for me.
Why?
Because of the soybeans. Not a fan. It literally tastes like you eating plastic.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
Nuh-uh. Eat it by itself.
All right.
There. I guess he wanted to feed himself.
Not a fan, y'all. Not a fan.
Why? It's so good.
Terrible.
Dramatic. The most dramatic of them all.
Terrible, terrible, terrible.
It has a kick to it. It's spicy.
It is spicy, y'all. Let me wash it down with some aloe vera.
Well, this is our dinner tonight.
What about the ice cream you said?
Oh, there's dessert too. You
gotta,
want to try
yeah,
now?
Yeah, you gotta show them that. Right?
I
Y'all
thought
want it now, we gotta give it to y'all now. So there ain't no waiting. Whatever they want, they get.
No, that only applies to me.
Whatever y'all want, y'all get. And I thank y'all for y'all support. It means a lot. And all the pocket watchers and people that's just watching and hating, quit hating, man. Show love and show support. Be happy. Okay, so I guess this is the ice cream, y'all.
So this, I think he'll love.
Never had it.
This, I think he'll be like, what is that? But I like it.
But yeah, I hope everybody having a good
Thursday.
Good Thursday, and also good years so far. I hope everybody reaching their goals. I hope everybody crushing it out there. Whatever that may be for you, I hope you crushing it and killing it. And I hope you in the best state of mind and best shape as ever. I wish health and success for everybody.
And his motivational era.
I want to see all y'all learning. I get a thrill out of changing people's lives, you know. What's the name of it?
Ice bar.
Ice bar.
Ice bar.
Okay, well, let's give it a shot.
Ice bar.
Okay, well, let's give it a shot.
Wait, let me see. So the stick is on the bottom.
Oh, it's green. I thought it was gonna be chocolate or something.
No. He's gonna love it so much. Watch. He's gonna love it.
I ain't doing no sucking too far down here. I'm just nib on it, okay? No homo. Straight.
10.
I would say 7 out of 10. It tastes like bubble gum. Yeah, it tastes like bubble gum. I don't know why. It tastes like bubble gum mixed with vanilla. I do not know why, but that's exactly what it tastes like. No, thank you.
It's literally cantaloupe.
Really?
Taste it again.
I give it one more shot, y'all. One more shot for y'all, but I'm sticking with the bubble gum and vanilla.
That is so good.
It's good, but it's just weird because it tastes like gum, and it's a popsicle.
It's not a popsicle, it's ice cream.
What is it on?
Stick, but the ingredient to make this is ice cream. It's good. Don't even lie. Finish it.
Uh-uh.
Yeah. Don't waste it.
It's going in the trash, y'all. Yeah, I'm playing. I will finish it after I finish dinner, okay? So until then, I'm gonna put it on this plate.
It's gonna melt. We have to finish it.
Or I put it in the freezer. Yeah.
Intermission. That's why I said we should just wait it. Alright. This I haven't had in a long time. I used to live in Korea, so I used to love these when I was younger. Yeah. You know I got it. I can do anything in this world. I don't want to break it. That's what she looks like. It's literally, this is, what do they call it when you put ice cream on top?
Oh, ice cream cone? Yeah, it smells like that, yeah.
I let him try the vanilla only first.
Okay. That's 9 out of 10. What side is this?
The good side.
What is the good side?
Just try it.
That's 10 out of 10. I don't want no more though. I want to finish my dinner.
One more. What do you think it is? No, what do you think the brown thing is?
Caramel. Brown sugar.
It's beans.
Beans?
It's so good though. Like, this is why you should try different culture foods, because you would never think to add beans to ice cream, but it's really good. Like, it doesn't taste like beans.
It don't. That's why I thought it was like chocolate or brown sugar or something. Well, there y'all have it. This is our dinner for tonight. Something definitely that's new.
Red beans.
So, yeah.
All right, back to the bag she goes, and we'll eat it later.
I hope y'all have a great night. As y'all can see, we still gotta eat dinner and dessert. So, with that being said, we want to thank y'all for tuning into this video once again. Really appreciate y'all. Help us continue to grow by sharing the videos, also commenting below, and not just watching the videos. Also, comment what y'all think about the food, or comment, you know, do y'all like trying different culture foods, and also dessert. But just off the visual, y'all rate y'all favorite thing that we just tried. If you already had this before, if you haven't, just say what looked the best or what looked good to y'all, you know. So with that being said, we will catch y'all on the next video. Thank y'all for tuning in once again. We shall see y'all.